1 month ago, I felt like I was going to conquer the world and have the best year of my life. 2 weeks ago, I was at the bottom of a pit of depression, and I felt like I was undoing 2 years worth of self-development work. You can build a good life on 3 principles: health, wealth, and relationships. The savings I had diligently tucked away, gone on impulse purchases. My effortless sleep schedule, gone. Playing video games I don't even like until 2 a.m. The romantic potentials who were just one text message away, gone. Really a byproduct of the other two because I had no money to go out and do anything, and I was too depressed and too tired to go do anything. All unnecessary. I just went unconscious and started on autopilot again. It's a little bit painful because I was just playing shows, meeting new people, getting gigs left and right, getting opportunities to make money left and right. Now that's kind of dried up. Thankfully, I'm back on track and everything seems to be recovering. I won't lie though, it is pretty painful having to rebuild those months worth of momentum. It may have only taken a few months to get to where I was before, but those were months of hard work and laser focus. Keep from over there. The worst part is things were looking really bright and like they were about to expand exponentially. We can't change yesterday's newspaper, but we can start a good outline for tomorrow. To help you avoid making mistakes I made, I'm going to give you a simple journal outline that helped me get going the first time and help me get back on the track and not go completely off the rails. Alright, in Florida it's like 1,000,000 degrees, 96. Ooh. With the humidity that's like 107. Let me find my marker so I can get this done and cool off. Jeez. Let's make this super simple. Get out of your hair. So I always start with the date. Made, spent. Honestly, I don't even come back and look at this that often. Once I do it, my brain knows what to do. It just suffers if I don't. So I've made like, let's say $1,600 for my salary as a teacher. And I've spent about $2,900 because I'm trying to go to TwitchCon and have a lot of expenses right now. God, I know. So every day I'll just mark salary. These are my totals, so I always start with the totals from like the last day. So at the end of the month, I have a total of everything that I spent. And then if I made $100 today, I'll put gig, $100. And you'll see I spent some money on gas, $55 dues. Now I'll add that 55 to that at the end and boom, doesn't get more simple than that. So even though I have a lot more out than in, if I wasn't writing this down again, it would be a lot worse, like so much worse. Another thing I do is the richest man in Babylon teaches me to save 10% of everything I make to pay myself, and saving 10% of everything I earn gave me a savings account after not really having any savings my whole life from all my work. I just spend it all, so now I put money aside. If you guess the next part is goals, you watch too many personal development videos just like me. The goals for the day. Today, record and edit video. It's a weekend, so I'm gonna keep my day open. And then goals for the week. This upcoming week, I've been steadily losing weight thanks to the journaling, so I wanna lose another 2 pounds. I write really sloppy when I write fast, but hopefully it's not too bad. Book Vegas flight. I think I'm running out of real estate here. Buy TwitchCon ticket. Keeping it simple. Don't want to overwhelm myself because I'll just stop doing productive stuff again. I'm pretty bad at looking that far ahead. And since I already got this, the monthly stuff, I don't feel like doing all that totaling. So just things I want to do this year. Move into house. Buy motorcycle. 100,000 YouTube subscribers. Make $100,000. And get new tattoo. It's that simple. Now real quick as a bonus, I know I'm losing you. If you want to have a good week every week, you gotta just write simple stuff down and do. Like, I know I want to run, but every day I'll wake up and tell myself maybe tomorrow. In church. So days I'm gonna run. This day, this day, this day, this day, work out this day. And that's how you plan your perfect week. Because I'll talk myself out of doing stuff every day of the week. I'll talk myself out every day. This right here is how you plan a perfect week. It's as simple as that. Just write what you want to do on those days. If you need to do something, set a deadline, because you will take up until that deadline, most likely, if you're anything like me. I genuinely felt lost, confused, and depressed when I stopped doing this. It is not until I started doing it again I realized, oh, that's why I was confused, lost, and depressed. If I helped you at all, please drop a like. And if you feel like seeing more content like this, hit a sub, hit a comment, just let me know if it helped you at all. And thanks. Hopefully this time next month I'll be writing a video on how everything's going amazing. Stay tuned. I hope you get everything in life that you deserve and want. Peace.